have a friend and his name is Lee. Lee has a cat so soft and small. He loves his cat, the best friend of all.
This is Lee, Lee is a boy. This is his cat is a toy.
No, 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 his cat is real. She can run and jump and squeak.
Her fur is white, her eyes are green. The prettiest cat you have ever seen. My little cat sleeps on a rug soft and flat. My little cat washes her face like this, like that. Wake up, Lee, the sun is up. Time for you and your cat to sup. Milk for the cat in a little dish. For Lee some cereal just as he wished.
Eat your food, his mommy says, before we go our separate ways.
My little cat sleeps on a rug soft and flat. My little cat washes her face like this, like that.
Lee goes to school, he learns to count. 1, 2, 3, that's the amount. But where is his cat? She is at home. She does not feel sad or alone.
She plays with a ball, she chases a mouse, all by herself, all through the house.
School is done, Lee runs back home. He does not want to be alone. Meow, meow, he hears the sound. His little cat is homeward bound.
He picks her up, she starts to purr, a happy sound just like a word. My little cat sleeps on a rug soft and flat. My little cat washes her face like this, like that. The moon is out, the stars are bright. It is time to say goodnight. Lee gets in bed, so cozy and warm. His cat curls up, safe from harm.
Good night, my cat, my friend so true. Sweet dreams, my love, I love you.
My little cat,
good night.
hello again, how are you?
Lee and his cat have something new.
They go outside, the sun is high.
Let's follow them, you and I.
takes his cat to the park today.
They run and play along the way.
The grass is green, so soft and sweet.
The flowers bloom beneath their feet. A yellow flower, a red one too.
Look, little cat,
Red and blue. My little cat sleeps on a rug, soft and flat. My little cat washes her face like this, like that. A butterfly flies by so fast.
it's purple blue, it will not last.
The cat says meow and tries to play, but butterfly flies far away.
A little bird sits in a tree.
It sings a song for you and me.
Lee sees a squirrel, small and brown.
It runs up a tree, then down, down, down.
It hides a nut, then looks around.
A crunchy sound upon the ground. Lee counts the nuts.
1, 2, 3.
Come, little squirrel, play with me.
A friend comes by, her name is Mia.
She has a dog, a cute dachshund.
Hello, Lee.
Hello, cat, let's all play, and that is that.
The dog runs fast, the cat runs too.
Chasing each other, what a zoo. My little cat sleeps on a rug, soft and flat. My little cat washes her face like this, like that.
The sun goes down,
The sky turns orange.
the park is quiet, the day will forge.
Lee says goodbye to Mia and her pup. It's time to go, we must back up.
His cat is tired, her eyes are small.
Time to go home, one and all. Home again, the day is done.
Another adventure full of fun.
Lee hugs his cat, so soft and sweet. Tomorrow again, they will